Struggling with weak legs after 60? Do these two simple exercises daily. Hey friends, welcome back. If you're over 60 and you've noticed that your legs don't feel as strong as they used to, you are definitely not alone. Aging can make our muscles lose strength, but here's the good news. It's never too late to rebuild them. With just a few small daily habits, you can feel stronger, more confident, and more active every single day. Before we start the exercises, I want you to remember something important. Your age does not define your ability. Your body is capable of improving at any stage of life. Strength comes from progress, not perfection. Let's begin with the first exercise. The chair sit to stand. All you need is a sturdy chair. Sit tall, feet flat on the floor, and use your legs to stand up. Then slowly sit back down. Do it at your own pace. This move strengthens your thighs and hips, the muscles you rely on for walking, standing, and keeping your balance. Even 5 to 10 repetitions daily can make a noticeable difference. Next is the heel raise. Stand behind the chair and lightly hold the back for support. Lift your heels up, hold for a second, and lower them down gently. This helps strengthen your calves and ankles, which keeps your steps more stable and reduces the chances of falling. Try a few reps to start and build up as you go. While these exercises help your legs gain strength, what you put into your body matters too. Choosing colorful vegetables, fruits, beans, lean protein, and drinking plenty of water gives your muscles the fuel they need to stay strong. You don't need to follow a strict diet. Just small swaps can boost your energy and mood. Staying active can also be fun. A short daily walk, a little dancing, gardening, or even stretching while watching your favorite show can keep your joints happy. Movement keeps you youthful, not because of how you look, but because of how you feel on the inside. And don't underestimate the power of your mindset. Talk to yourself with encouragement. Celebrate every small victory. Maybe today you do 3 repetitions, and that's excellent. Maybe next week you do 5, even better. What matters is that you're moving forward. You deserve to feel strong. You deserve to live with confidence, to play with your grandkids, to enjoy independence, and to wake up excited for the day ahead. Your future self will thank you for every effort you make today. So breathe deeply, smile, and commit to yourself. Do these 2 exercises daily, nourish your body with real food, stay lightly active, and keep your mind focused on what's possible. You are capable of incredible progress, no matter your age. If this inspired you, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need a little encouragement. Let's stay active, stay positive, and keep moving forward together. See you in the next one. Daily exercises like sit to stand and heel raises may look simple, but for older add alts. They are powerful tools for rebuilding strength, improving balance, and maintaining independence. As we age, our leg muscles naturally tend to weaken due to less physical activity, slower muscle repair, and changes in the nervous system. But the exciting truth is that the human body is designed to respond to movement no matter how old we are. Even small, consistent exercise sends a message to your muscles that says, stay strong, stay active, stay ready. So when you practice these gentle movements every day, you give your legs a chance to regain the strength that keeps you walking, climbing stairs, standing up from a chair, and carrying on with the activities you love. Let's start with the sit to stand exercise. It might seem like a normal everyday motion, but it's actually one of the most important functional movements in life. Every time you get up from bed, rise from a chair, step out of a car, or use the toilet, you are performing some version of this movement. When the legs weaken, these once simple tasks become challenging. The sit-to-stand exercise directly strengthens the thighs, hips, and core muscles involved in balance and stability. To do it safely, you sit tall with your feet flat on the floor and stand up using the power of your legs, not by pushing hard with your hands. Then you slowly lower back down with control. At first, you may only do a few repetitions, and that's perfectly fine. What matters is that each repetition trains your body to become more capable, more stable, and more confident. Over time, this exercise also helps improve the brain-to-muscle connection, making movement smoother and safer. The second exercise, heel raises, focuses on the calves and ankles, muscles that play a huge role in staying upright and preventing falls. Many older adults notice that they shuffle when they walk or feel uncertain when stepping up curbs or uneven surfaces. That usually means the lower leg muscles have weakened. Heel raises help bring those muscles back to life. You simply stand behind a chair for balance, lift your heels off the floor as if reaching for the sky, hold briefly and lower back down slowly. This challenges the muscles that stabilize each step and keeps your ankles flexible, strong, and coordinated. It's a gentle motion, but don't let the simplicity fool you. With regular practice, the legs become more capable of supporting your weight during walking, turning, and standing still, helping you feel more secure and less fearful of falling. Together, these two exercises activate some of the largest and most important muscles in the body. Stronger muscles protect your joints and reduce strain on the knees and hips. Better balance reduces the risk of slips that can lead to serious injuries. Improved circulation through the legs brings more oxygen and nutrients to your muscles so they can keep repairing and growing. With consistent practice, everyday life becomes easier. Tasks that once felt tiring or unstable begin to feel manageable again. A simple walk to the mailbox becomes comfortable. Getting out of a chair feels natural again. Not like a struggle. You find yourself standing taller, moving with more confidence, and enjoying activities that you may have started avoiding due to weakness or fear. These exercises are also incredibly beginner-friendly. You don't need a gym membership, heavy weights, or any fancy equipment. You don't even need to set aside a big chunk of time. They can be done in the comfort of your home, while watching TV, talking on the phone, or waiting for dinner to finish cooking. The key is consistency. A few minutes daily will always beat an hour once a week. Every repetition you perform sends a signal of progress. Every day you choose to move, you are investing in your future independence. As you continue practicing, your body will begin to adapt. Muscles will feel more awake. Standing up will feel smoother. Walking will feel steadier. These small improvements add up and create a strong foundation for an active life. What might begin as a tiny commitment, just 2 simple exercises, can become the reason you stay mobile, balanced, and strong for years to come. Maintaining strong legs and staying active after 60 isn't just about exercise, it's about giving your body the right support through good nutrition, simple movement, hydration, and daily habits that promote energy and vitality. When we feed our muscles well and keep our bodies moving, we build the strength that allows us to continue enjoying life on our own terms. Even small, easy choices throughout the day can help older adults feel sharper, more energetic, and more confident in the way they move. Food plays a major role in how our muscles perform. Muscles need protein to rebuild and stay strong, especially as we age. Choosing foods like beans, eggs, fish, lentils, tofu, yogurt, and lean meats can provide the building blocks muscles use to stay firm and active. You don't need to follow a complicated diet or count every calorie. Simply adding a little more protein to meals and snacks can help muscles recover from daily activity, making it easier to stay mobile. Pairing protein with colorful fruits and vegetables adds vitamins and minerals that keep joints moving smoothly and keep the immune system strong. Hydration is another key that's often overlooked. As people get older, thirst signals can become less noticeable, so dehydration may sneak up without feeling thirsty. Water is essential for good muscle function, flexible joints, clear thinking, and balanced energy. Drinking water throughout the day or enjoying herbal teas, soups, or water-rich fruits like oranges and watermelon helps keep the whole body functioning its best. When the body is well hydrated, movements feel easier and energy lasts longer. And when you feel better physically, staying active becomes much more enjoyable. Daily movement does not have to look like intense workouts or long gym sessions. Light, conscious. Physical activity is one of the most powerful ways to keep the body youthful. A short walk in the morning, stretching while watching TV, standing up during commercials, dancing a little in the kitchen, or even doing gentle leg movements while sitting can keep blood flowing and joints from becoming stiff. These simple motions help maintain muscle coordination and improve balance, making falls less likely. Motion is a message to the body that says, stay alive, stay responsive, stay ready. This message becomes more important with every year of life. Maintaining flexibility is another part of wellness as we age. When muscles and joints stiffen, they begin to limit our range of motion, making movements feel more difficult than they need to be. Gentle stretching of the calves, hamstrings, and hips keeps the legs able to move freely, which supports good posture and a smooth walking pattern. A few minutes of stretching each day can help relieve stiffness and improve comfort while standing and moving. These tiny habits can make a big difference in how comfortable and strong your legs feel. Lifestyle choices also play a role in muscle strength and overall health. Getting enough quality sleep allows muscles to recover, the brain to recharge, and the immune system to stay strong. A calm evening routine, less screen time before bed, and a consistent sleep schedule support physical and mental health. Fresh air and sunlight help the body make vitamin D, which keeps bones strong and capable of supporting strong muscles. Even spending time with family, friends, or community groups can increase motivation to stay active, while boosting mood and reducing stress. A well-connected and emotionally supported person often feels more excited to move and take care of themselves. One of the most important factors in wellness after 60 is attitude. When someone believes they are too old to improve, they limit their own progress before they even begin. But when they choose to see each day as a new opportunity, their body responds positively. Motivation can be built through small victories, adding an extra minute of walking, choosing fruit instead of sweets once a day, or reminding yourself that you are choosing strength and independence. Confidence grows every time you make a choice that supports your health. Aging doesn't mean slowing down. It means caring for your body more intentionally, giving it what it needs to keep performing well. Simple changes such as standing up more frequently, adding nutritious foods to meals, staying hydrated, and moving just a little more each day are incredibly powerful. Each choice is a message to your body that you want to stay strong, balanced, and full of life. When these habits become part of your daily routine, your muscles stay supported, your energy increases, and your legs feel more capable of carrying you forward into all the experiences you still want to enjoy. A positive mindset can be a powerful source of strength, especially early after the age of 60. When it comes to staying active and rebuilding leg strength, the way you speak to yourself matters. Many older adults begin to doubt their abilities as they get older, thinking they are too weak or too late to start improving. But the truth is, your body is always ready to adapt. Muscles respond to effort, confidence grows with every small step forward, and progress happens when you trust yourself enough to try. Reminding yourself that you are capable is the first step towards staying independent, mobile, and youthful in spirit. Every day that you choose to move your body is a day that brings your future strength one step closer. Motivation isn't about pushing yourself harder than everyone else. It's about celebrating every small improvement. Maybe today you can stand for a little longer than yesterday. Maybe this week you walked a few more steps. These may seem like tiny achievements, but they add up to real and long-lasting change. By acknowledging your progress, no matter how slow, you reinforce the belief that your actions matter and that you are moving in the right direction. Progress isn't measured only by speed or intensity. It's measured by consistency, effort, and courage. Many people feel discouraged when they see others moving faster or doing things they can't do yet. But comparison steals joy and blocks motivation. What matters most is your journey, your goals, your pace. If you focus on what you can do today and trust that your abilities will grow, you will find yourself moving forward with more confidence. Be patient with yourself, because every body is different and every milestone deserves recognition. The more compassion you show yourself, the more motivated you will be to continue improving. Staying confident and positive also means focusing on what you can still do instead of what you may have lost. Yes, age brings changes, but it also brings strength in experience, wisdom, and resilience. You have lived through challenges and conquered obstacles throughout life, and that same resilience applies to your health journey. When you remind yourself of everything you have overcome, You strengthen the belief that you can thrive now too. Your body may have changed, but it still deserves care, appreciation, and effort. It's important to surround yourself with encouragement. Supportive friends, family members, or community groups can help keep you motivated. When you share your goals with others, you feel more accountable and inspired to stick with them. Even watching a motivational video or following gentle exercise guidance can provide an energy boost that keeps your routine going. Hearing words like, "You can do this," from someone else can be powerful, but hearing them from yourself can be life-changing. The voice in your mind should be your loudest cheerleader. Staying active is not only about strength, it's also deeply connected to happiness and emotional well-being. Movement releases chemicals in the brain that elevate mood, reduce anxiety, and sharpen memory. When you move your body, you open the door to a brighter mindset. When your mindset improves, moving becomes easier. It's a cycle that keeps serving your body and spirit in the best possible way. Even on days when motivation feels low, reminding yourself how good movement makes you feel can help you take that first step. Another part of nurturing a positive mindset is letting go of fear. Many older adults worry about falling or injuring themselves, and that fear can stop them from staying active. But when you choose slow, controlled, safe exercises and celebrate every successful repetition, you build confidence in your body again. Confidence tells you, "I can do this," and helps quiet the fear that tries to limit you. With time, fear fades and strength grows. There is something incredibly empowering about noticing your own progress. When you feel yourself standing taller, walking steadier, and moving with more ease, you realize that your efforts are paying off. Instead of focusing on age as a barrier, you see age as a badge of strength, a reminder of a life full of moments, experiences, and reasons to keep going. You start to feel proud of yourself again, and that pride becomes motivation for tomorrow. You deserve to feel strong and capable. You deserve to wake up each day knowing that your health is improving because of the choices you make. When you approach your wellness journey with kindness, patience, and a belief in your own potential, you unlock a future filled with energy, confidence, and independence. A positive mindset doesn't erase challenges, but it gives you the power to rise above them and continue moving forward with hope, courage, and determination.